Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Check the Gopro model and the strap fits so nothing binds. Remove any loose dirt and verify buckles move freely, because smooth parts make precise adjustments. Next, lay the strap flat with the camera plate facing forward and thread the webbing through the center slot. Once done, align the plate so the pivot arms sit perpendicular. This gives you predictable tilt control as you finish tightening. You now center and tension for comfort and stability. Hold the camera plate at your forehead level, then pull webbing through the side buckles one side at a time so the camera stays centered. This prevents off-axis footage. Make micro adjustments. Tighten until the strap is snug, yet lets you breathe and move without slippage. Because too tight causes discomfort and too loose causes wobble, aim for firm contact with the forehead and rear head cradle for consistent framing. You finish by locking the buckles and checking the fit with active movement. Clip any loose webbing or tuck it into the keeper so it won't flap, then start a short recording and walk, look up and down to confirm stability. If you see tilt drift, loosen, recenter the plate, then increase rear strap tension and retest until stable. If the strap still slips, inspect buckles for wear. Replacing the strap is the only reliable fix when hardware is compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.